How to change your Shopify store name and URL. So if you want to change your Shopify store name and URL, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and search for Shopify. Once you've searched, it will take you to this kind of page where you need to go and click on www.shopify.com and go for the first search. Here you can go for start free trial. Scroll down and go for skip all and choose your country or your location and go for login page, which is here on the bottom right. Click on login, it will take you to the login page. So log into your account, click on continue with email and then enter your password, click on login and you'll be logged into your account. And once you've logged in, now you need to simply go for settings, which is on the bottom left. And under your settings, now here you will have your store name, right? So you need to simply go for the right side, which has that pencil shaped icon or the edit icon. Click on the edit and then you need to enter your store name, or you can remove the store name and then you can add another store name. So make sure to click on save once you've entered your store name. Once you click on save, your store name will be changed. And once you've changed the store name, now if you want to change your URL, then if you scroll down here, you may have your domain. So most of the business don't have their private domain. So if you have your domain and if you want to change the URL, then you need to simply go for change to a new domain, which will be here if you have your domain. So you need to click on that and then you can add another domain or another URL and you can change it. So that's it. That's how you can change your Shopify store name and URL. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.